Hey guys, it's Cole, and I'm back with another Redstone video. And today, I've got this lovely little house right here. I built it. It's beautiful. Now, just go inside. No. As you can see, I'm with my good buddy Xander. Say hi.
Hey guys.
Check out his YouTube channel at Xander, thefastesthingalive. I'll put his channel in the description. I don't know how to do links, so sorry, but gotta show you how to do that. Anyway, so this is just this house was just rigged with TNT. Now, to show you how to do that, let's go into game mode. Spelling game mode 1. There we go. So, let's just take some blocks here, make it nice and simple. There we go.
Nice.
Small. It's super small. That was a weird laugh. I was like, oh! Oh, and by the way, happy Halloween. I am recording this on Halloween night.
Boo.
Boo. Got a lot of candy.
Happy Halloween.
Okay, so let's get out a iron door. Pressure plate. Don't break it. Let's grab. I should probably grab these things in advance. It's very simple to make. Just probably fun to troll your friends. Okay, well, that's fine. I want to go one more block out. I take precautions. Now let's put a dispenser on it. Wait up. Okay, repeater. 2 clicks. I guess I don't really have to cover it up. It's fine. You've already seen it covered up. And, oh, more redstone, of course. And a piece of TNT for the explosion. And you just walk right in. And it pops into TNT, and as you can see, I don't have a pressure plate there. So you can't get back out. No way to escape.
Yeah, you should probably do it with obsidian, but...
Yeah, maybe with water. You could just say, like, hey, I made you a house, put water under it.
Yeah.
Boom. Just don't have any pictures or stuff like that. Some types of entities will be killed, or, like, such as paintings and things. Paintings are entities. Who knows? Who knew? Alright. Anyways, guys, if you like this video, please like and or subscribe. It would be very much appreciated. Anyways, guys, goodbye.
Bye.